We have a reliable 2006 Ford F250 diesel 6.0 liter. Everyone loves those. Let's see, it's loaded with the LARIAT trim, LARIAT Super Duty, Power Stroke Turbo Diesel. Run for many, many miles. We've gotten almost 600,000 miles. Walk around this beast. All right, it's crew cab. It's got a bed liner, rear sliding window, nice tire tread. All right, open the door. Look at that leather interior. All power options, of course. It's a LARIAT. It's very, very clean. Got power seats, steering wheel controls. It's got a touchscreen aftermarket stereo there. Look at auto check. Only 2 owners, no accidents. It's from Florida also, so it's rust-free. All right, let's start this baby up. Seat weight to start. Nice and smooth. Yep. All right, 168,000 miles there. These run forever. All right. You can find this at Cars, Trucks, and More. We're located across from Family Video in downtown Howell, 861 East Grand River. See all of our vehicles online and fill out our loan app at ctmas.com. Call our sales staff 517-546-7000.